thinking about making a move to Brown Summit, North Carolina, and you want to know all there is to know about the neighborhood of Pearson Farms, if you are, then today you're going to want to check out this video. My name is Meredith Parsons. I'm a realtor. I live here and love it here, and I want you to move here and love it here as much as I do. And if you could do this, it'd be so awesome. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications, because each week I'm going to be taking you on a little tour, a little adventure of all things Greensboro Triad area and Brown Summit, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Ready to go check out Pearson Farms? Let's go. We are here today in the neighborhood of Pearson Farms. Pearson Farms is located in Brown Summit. We are in Guilford County, and we are in the zip code of 27214. This neighborhood was developed between the years of 2006 to 2016. So Brown Summit, we are northwest of Greensboro. We are 17 miles south of Reedsville. We are 25 minutes to Greensboro, and you're about 14 minutes from like Reedy Fork. If you haven't seen Reedy Fork, go check out that video. I did one on that neighborhood. Highway-wise, we are right off of 29. You can take 150 east and west. That's gonna take you over to 220, which is Battleground. So that's gonna take you over to Summerfield and Oak Ridge. So the style of this neighborhood, let me spin it around. You've got some 2 stories. You've got some nice it's really 1.5, or it's like 1 with a bonus, which is actually kind of nice for people that really want 1 level living, but then they have an added bonus if, say, like guests come over or they need that like workspace upstairs. That's got some shingles on it. If you see there, that's brick and shingles. Super cute. I have not seen one house, there's always one house, that they don't take care of it, and that I have not seen that here. So I'm here for the way this neighborhood feels. Let's talk house pricing. So the average house price here is $389,000. Going back a year, it's July, oh my gosh, how did this happen, of 2026. And the range of what is sold over the last year has been between $345,000 and $450,000. To give you an idea of the size of the houses, they are between 1,700 and 2,700, with the average size house being 2,200 square feet. The average price per square foot here is $193,000, with the range being $163,000 to $2,200. And to give you an idea of the size of the lots, they range between 0.7 to 2 acres. And that's kind of your sweet spot. The houses are 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 baths, and all of them have a 2-car garage, which is great. There is an HOA here. It is $354 for the year. And because you're out in the county, you're only paying county taxes, which is 0.9%. Typically when you're out in the county, more times than not, you are paying, or you are having septic and you are having well. And this neighborhood, fun fact, does have a little pond for you to enjoy if you want to go fish and look at its little waterness. Right now it's hot. I wouldn't be outside unless I was making this video for you. Let's talk grocery shopping. The closest one is Lowe's Food, which is on 150. It's right on the corner of 150 and Church Street. Or if you wanted to work your way over to 29, which that's gonna be like 15 or 20 minutes. There's a Food Line over there. So you're not totally isolated. You're less than 10 minutes away to a really nice grocery store. Let's talk shopping. Shopping. Friendly Center it's a solid 30 minutes away. You're 22 minutes to Battleground, which that's got lots of big box stores and things that way. And Target, the closest Target, is 23 minutes away. So I'm gonna say Costco is 32 minutes. Maybe I'm off by a couple minutes. But to get to places, you need to be prepared to drive. Let's talk green spaces. Bryant Park is 14 minutes away. Great spot if you're looking for golf. They've got 2 different courses there. They also have soccer, if that's something that you do. Lake Townsend's 15 minutes away. And Haw River State Park is 6 minutes away. The schools that you would be slotted for are Monticello Brown Elementary, Northeast Guilford Middle, and Northeast Guilford High School. So I hope you've learned all that you wanted to learn about the neighborhood of Pearson Farms. If you have any questions, you want to see another spot, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.